In this video, I'll quickly show you how to create a Google AdWords dashboard in Google Sheets using Supermetrics. To get started, go to Add-ons menu in Google Sheets and launch the Supermetrics sidebar. Once you've successfully launched the sidebar, navigate to the sidebar, click on Data Source, and choose Google AdWords in the list. A separate window will pop up asking authorization to your account. Click on Allow, then go back to the sheet to make your first report. You're going to start by selecting an AdWords account and pick the dates. One quick tip for you: set the time frame as 14 months so you can easily do year-over-year comparison. Next, select Metrics. Here you will see a list of similar metrics as in AdWords. Choose whichever metrics relevant to your business. In this example, I'm including impressions, clicks, costs, CTR, CPC, average position, converted clicks, conversions, and cost per converted click. Then, split the data by year and month. Finally, hit on the Get Data to Table button. Here you go! As easy as that. Next, we'll make a table splitting last month KPIs by network. Change the data range to last month and split by network and click Get Data to Table. And then we'll make 3 more tables. One split last month's data by device, another split by campaign, and the last one split by country. Here we are. Now the data for our AdWords dashboard are all here. After spending a few minutes tweaking the formats and making charts, I get a dashboard like this. Once the dashboard is built, you can easily refresh the data by clicking on Refresh All Queries in the menu. And you can also schedule auto refresh or schedule emailing the reports to yourself, your team, or your clients. For any report, it just takes one click to duplicate it for another account. You can find beautiful reporting templates in our template gallery to kickstart your dashboard building. I used AdWords as an example in this video. You can build reports for other marketing channels such as Facebook ads, Bing ads, and Twitter ads, or Google Analytics, or dozens of other platforms. Happy reporting!